Hi everyone and welcome back to Dev Portal. Today we are starting an exciting new series on databases. We are going to focus on PostgreSQL. This series will guide you from the basic of databases to advanced concepts that enhance performance and ensure database maintenance. So let's start with a simple question. What is a database? A database is a structured way to store and manage data electronically. Think of it as a digital filing system where we can easily store, retrieve and manipulate data. Some of the examples of real-world databases are a library catalog to track books and borrowers, and your phone's contact list to store names, numbers and emails. Databases are the backbone of modern software application, from social media platform to banking system, enabling efficient data management at scale. Let's dive into two most commonly used types of databases, relational and NoSQL database. Relational databases like PostgreSQL and MySQL organize data into tables with rows and columns. They follow a strict schema ensuring data integrity and relationship between tables. Imagine a table named employee. Each column represents a data field and each row is a record. This structure makes relational database ideal for scenarios where relationship matters, like banking or inventory system. On the other hand, NoSQL databases are schemaless and store data in flexible formats like JSON or key value pairs. They are perfect for handling large-scale unstructured data. In NoSQL database, a product catalog might look like this. This flexibility allows NoSQL database to adapt to changing requirements without altering the structure. Now let's discuss some of the key differences between relational and NoSQL database. First is the structure. Relational database organize data into tables with rows and columns. On the other hand, a NoSQL database stores data in flexible format like JSON or graphs. If we talk about schema, then relational database follow fixed schema with predefined relationship, and NoSQL database is a schemaless or flexible schema allowing dynamic data storage. Relational database use SQL, that is structured query language, for queries, and for NoSQL there is no standard query. If we talk about the use cases, then applications with structured data and complex relationships such as banking or ERP systems used relational database, and applications with unstructured or semi-structured data such as social media platform or IoT use NoSQL. If we talk about the performance, then relational database perform better for complex queries on structured data. On the other hand, NoSQL handles large data volumes of unstructured data in real time. While relational databases are great for structured data with defined relationships, NoSQL shines in handling big data and applications that need high scalability. Now you might be wondering, with so many databases options available, why we are focusing on PostgreSQL in this series. First, PostgreSQL is open source, meaning it is free to use. We will get enterprise grade features without the cost. Second, it supports advanced features like ACID compliance, ensure data consistency and reliability. It supports full text search, ideal for applications like search engines, and it also supports JSON. Next, PostgreSQL handles large data sets and complex queries efficiently, making it a favorite choice for both startups and enterprise-wide applications. And last but not the least, it also has a robust community. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, help is always a forum or a documentation page away from you. Now let's discuss what we are going to cover during this series. First, we are going to cover core database concepts like schema, tables and views. We are going to write efficient SQL queries and understanding joins. We are going to do performance optimization with indexing and vacuuming, and some advanced topics we will discuss like window function and CTE, that is common table expressions. Don't miss this opportunity to master PostgreSQL and build powerful and scalable applications. Thanks for watching the first tutorial of our PostgreSQL series. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Dev Portal and hit the bell icon to stay updated. In the next video, we are going to explore pgadmin, which we are going to use as an interface in this tutorial. And we will also see how to create users in our database. Notes link I will give you in the description as well as in the comments, so you can use it for your learning purpose. Till then, happy coding, and I will see you in the next video.